What's up, boys and girls? The Clouded Barber. Back at it again with another video. So I know it's super long overdue, guys, but as you all know, we were off work for 3 months. So there's not much we could have done. I could have done house calls. I could have gone to people's houses. I could have done all sorts and filmed the videos and did the tutorials. But I just didn't want to take that chance, you know. But as you know, here in Ontario, we actually went back to work on June 19th. So it's been about 2 weeks back. I'm so sorry that I haven't gotten a tutorial out yet. It's just been so slammed. We've been doing like 18 a day. It's been crazy. But today, luckily enough, I found some time. So my buddy told me he was coming in, my homeboy Francesco. He grew his hair out on top, but he still wanted like a mid-skin fade on the sides and just a slight chop on top, you know, because he wants that pulled forward, fluffy look in the front, you know. Without further ado, let's get to the video because I know I'm super late, and enough of me talking, let's get to it. What's up, YouTube? It's TheCloudedBarber back at it. So my buddy Francesco came in today after 3 months, and he basically wants a mid-skin fade with an undercut. So what we're doing now is we're just creating the parting of where the undercut is going to start, and we're going to hit the lower part with a number 2 up to the parting. So here we got our number 2 premium wall guard with our magic clip, with the lever fully closed. We're just gonna hit him with a number 2 right up to that parting all the way around. Now we got no guard, lever fully closed, and we're going to create our first bald guideline. And always remember, guys, when you're creating your first line, or any line for that matter, you always want it to be completely even. You don't want it to be wavy, you don't want it to be nothing. You always want it to be completely even. Alright, now we're going in with our Babyliss Skeleton FX, and basically what we're doing here is we're just balding it out a little bit more so we're nice and prepared, ready for the shaver to come in to skin it out. Alright, now we got the shaver, the FX02 by Babyliss. We're basically just balding them out now, guys. Now we're going in with our Anda Slimline Pro LIs, and we're just basically taking out the line that we slightly created with our shaver. Now we got the magic clip, lever fully open, no guard, creating our second guideline. Going up about ½ inch. Now we got the lever half closed, no guard, and we're basically flicking in with an outward motion halfway into that second guideline that we created. Now we got our lever fully closed, and we're basically flicking in with an outward motion at that initial guideline that we created until it just completely disappears. Now we got our number 1 guard, lever fully open, and now we're creating our third guideline. Again, about half an inch up from our second guideline we created. Now we got our lever half closed. We're basically flicking into our third guideline halfway in an outwards motion. Lever fully closed, flicking out at the bottom of our third guideline. Lightening it up for our half guard. Now we got our half guard lever fully open, and we're working into our third section, halfway into our third section, flicking at an outwards motion. Now we got our lever half closed with a half guard, flicking a little bit lower within our third section. See how that line's starting to lighten up, guys? It's coming together nicely. Now we got our lever fully closed. And we're basically working at that bottom line of our third guideline. Alright, now we got our 1.5 guard lever fully open, which is what we'll be using to blend into the number 2 that we went in with originally. And as you can also tell, it's basically lever play here. So I'm going from fully open to half closed to fully closed, just working out all the dark spots. Now I got my 1 guard lever fully open, and I'm basically lightening up that entire area of our 4th guideline. And as you can tell, guys, again, I'm just playing with the lever from fully closed, half closed, and fully open, and just lightening up that entire spot completely that we created with our 4th guideline. And I'm basically just working my way back down. So now I have the half guard on. And again, lever play. Fully open, half closed, fully closed. And now what we originally started with, which is our wall magic clip. No guard, fully open, half closed, and fully closed. Just working, working, working. Now we're just lightening up all the dark spots. I saw a few, so I had to go back and fix them up a little bit. Alright, now we're going in with our gold effects. We're just lining my boy up right here. We're making it crispy. So basically just combing all the hair over and just cutting off any overlaying hair hanging over his hairline without pushing the hairline back. Now we're crisping out his vertical bars. And last but not least, we're going to hit him with a C-cup. Now he doesn't have much of a C-cup because we did a skin fade, so basically left enough hair at the top just to kind of tip it off with the top of the C-cup. Add that contrast. And there you go, guys. There you have it. And here we are. We're just pretty much fast forwarding this part as the same steps we took on the other side as we're doing on this side. So guys, I just want to take this moment just to thank everybody who's been patient with me during this time during COVID, not being back at work, not being able to release any tutorials, not being able to really do anything. So I really appreciate you guys sticking around, you know, remaining subscribed, and you know, showing the love that you guys show me. You know, I'm at 90 subscribers right now. I'm trying to reach 100 probably by the end of the week or next week. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, guys. Hit that like button, hit that notification bell, and leave any comments in the section below. Maybe what you guys want to see next, any ideas, whether it be a haircut, a clipper modification, a trimmer modification, anything really, guys. Just feel free to reach out. Pretty easygoing guy. I respond to all comments. I show as much love back as you show me. And yeah, guys, so I really appreciate everything you guys have done, continuing to show the love and support, even though I haven't been able to drop anything for 3 months. And yeah, much love to you guys. Thank you so much. Basically, here we're back, just doing the back of his head. Slow down just a little bit, just so you can guys see how we connect both sides together. It's basically the exact same steps that we did on the left side and the right side, but this is just kind of a cool way of showing you how we connect both sides to make it a full blurry skin fade. So basically, I want to give a shout out to my boy Francesco. He's been coming to me for so long, and he honestly insists that I cut his hair always. He never goes to anybody else, whether it's in the shop or it's any other shop or whatever. Like, this guy's been showing love to me since I can remember. He's a lot younger than me, you know what I mean? I love to inspire younger kids, whether it be boys, girls, whatever. I love to inspire the youth, not necessarily in the barbering world, but with whatever they decide to do in life. And I have a feeling this guy really looks up to me, and I try to give him whatever information, whatever insight I can on whatever situations he's going through in life. Yeah, and I mean, the kid's, he's young, you know what I mean? He wasn't able to show up last week for one of his appointments. He called in, he let me know, he texted me, but even after this haircut, he's like, bro, let me talk to you outside for a quick minute. So we hopped outside, and he was just telling me, like, yo, man, I'm sorry I didn't show up. Like, you're a bomb barber, you're dope, you're, whatever. And I was like, bro, you don't have to apologize. And it just shows that, there are people out there that actually do care and actually do value your work. So, don't ever think that your work is don't ever devalue your work. Just because maybe some people don't show that they do value it. Alright, guys, so it's a big shout out to my boy Francesco. Keep doing your thing, boy. Alright, now we're going in with a little bit of scissor work. He literally just wanted a quick little trim up top, nothing crazy. So I got my Mizutani shears. Thank you, Bart at Mizutani, for hooking that up. I appreciate it. If you guys haven't picked up any Mizutani shears, you should. They're kind of pricey, but crazy worth it. Crazy worth it. Highly suggest them. But yeah, man, we're just going in on my boy Francesco. Slight trim. And see how the finished product looks. And that's the final product, guys. Mid skin fade, kind of an undercut, but all pull forward, kind of make it puffy in the front, give them kind of like that crop look, you know what I mean? But it doesn't get any blurrier than this, man. Damn. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, he was loving this cut, I'll tell you that much. But guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, please share, hit the notification bell for when I drop new material. And again, I appreciate you guys for holding me down for the past 3 months. Let's get it.